ಆನೇಕಲ್ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಸರ್ಜಾಪುರ ಬಳಿಯ ಸೋಂಪುರ ಗೇಟ್ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಝೋನ್ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಮೆಲಾ ರಾಮ್ನ ಯುವ ಮತ್ತು ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಟಗಾರ ನಿಕ್ಸನ್ ಬೆನ್ನಿ ಅವರ ಸ್ಮರಣಾರ್ಥ ದತ್ತಿ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯನ್ನು ಟೆಕ್ಜೆನಿತ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಯೂಸಿನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಫೆ 29 ರ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಲೀಕರಾದ ಪೂಜಾ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಕ್ಸನ್ ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹೋದರ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮೇರಿ ಬೆನ್ನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆನ್ನಸ್, ಶ್ರೀ ರೂಪೇಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಿರ್ಜಾ, ಶ್ರೀ ನಿಮಿಷ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಕುಮ್ಮನ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವರ್ಷಾ ಕುಮ್ಮನ್, ಜ್ಯೋತಿರಾಜ್, ಅಂಜನಾ, ಶಶಿಕಲಾ, ಭಾವನಾ, ಶ್ರೇಯ ಚಂದ್ರ, ಕ್ರಿಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ, ಶ್ರೀ ಪುನೀತ್ ದಾಸ್, ನಜ್ನೀಸ್, ತಬಸ್ಸುಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಕ್ಜೆನಿತ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಫೆ 29 ರ ಇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಗೆ ಛಾಯಾಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಂಪನಿ ನೀಲಾದ್ರಿ ಬೇಕರಿ, ಜೈಕಾ ಕ್ರಾಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು 21 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗಿನ ಒಟ್ಟು 10 ತಂಡಗಳು ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಮೊದಲ ರನ್ನರ್ ಅಪ್ ಸೌಬ್ ಎಫ್ಸಿ ತಂಡ, ಎರಡನೇ ರನ್ನರ್ ಅಪ್ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಎಫ್ಸಿ ತಂಡ ಬಹುಮಾನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಚಂಬೇನಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಗಾಯಗೊಂಡ ಆಟಗಾರರಿಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ನೆರವು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ರೆಫರಿ ಮತ್ತು ತರಬೇತುದಾರರಾಗಿ ಮನು, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಖಿಲ್, ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಿಷ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ರವರು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಹಾಡು, ನೃತ್ಯ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆದವು.
Wonderful, wonderful, very nice. And what is your age?
I am 9 years old.
She is just 9 years old and she has come forward to play for this tournament, to sing for this tournament. So she has class now. Again she will come back and sing the song, right? Thank you so much.
Football is just a match for the passion, so I want these kids to continue this passion. And for this passion, you need to be healthy and follow a good diet so that you will have a good stamina. So once again, thank you, Pooja ma'am, and all the best to all the teams. Thank you, thank you.
Means you keep up the name. Okay, the other match is also started. There is one goal by whom I can't. Okay, what is the score? Okay, they got 5 goals. Who is their captain? See, What the team is saying is 6, but not 5. But I get a score as 5, not 6. Times better. Wow. I would be again jumping around you guys on like quickly. So how do you feel?
Manu, please announce which match.
Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip!
More and 2030. Can we look for it that you're making 2030 of it? Yes, we want to look for it. So what is your opinion?
For that match, we could have scored, I think. We expected more, obviously. The team isn't as good as us, but they couldn't score as much. We wasted a lot of time.
So you won it.
What?
You won it.
Yeah, we won.
So that's a all in one that we won now. How the score is there, that's okay. It's just a game.
Yeah. We're happy that we scored 8. We're expecting more.
No problem. You have a next match?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 more matches you have. You can make 2030. Okay, your score can go to some 70, 80 or maybe 70. Wow, we're looking for.
क्वेश्चन तो पूछो पहले क्वेश्चन पूछो
No matter how much we win by, we have to still keep our confidence.
Players who are outside the arena. Players who are outside the arena, please pick up the bottles which are outside. Boys, please. तुम जाओ.
Leave. Let's go, boys. One more up. Come on now.
Namaskar and thank you to Pooja ma'am for organizing this football match, young football match in memory of Nixon Benny. This is for a very good cause and I really appreciate ma'am for giving this tribute to him. It's a very nice tribute because as I heard he's the passionate for football and giving this tribute wherever he is, he will be feeling happy. So we can give them happiness wherever he is. And Tech Zenith and Namma Cafe, thank you so much for sponsoring this event. And all the best to all the kids for the match. My only request the kids, keep this passion for the football is just a match for passion, and to continue this passion you need to be healthy, follow a routine, follow a diet and keep yourself good immune. Then only you can achieve in football. Thank you once again to Pooja ma'am, Tech Zenith, and thank you ma'am for coming. And once again all the best to all the team. I'm Jyoti Raj from Jyoti Ho Foundation. I take care of the government school kids for their education. I support the 3,000 plus kids for their education and their health.
Tech Zenith Solutions and Namma Cafe has organized this charity football tournament, paying a tribute to Nixon Benny, who met with an accident, and so all the football players were very much enthused that a league has to be performed in Sarjapura. Last year, this boy Nixon Benny played football tournament from Lions Club Sarjapura town. As you know that I am part of Lions Club Sarjapura town also. So this time we have organized from our company and we are sponsoring everything for the players, for the youth of Sarjapura, and we are really thankful to all our sponsors, supporters and medical staffs who has come forward. Medical support we are getting it from Scalp Cure Clinic, which is in Chimbanhalli. Sponsors are Jeev Goodness, Crumbs and Souls, Niladri Bakery, Vipra, Zyka, Kala Vaibhav, Fit Up Security, and many of the supporters like ma'am is already here from Jyoti Foundation, Vijay Samba Foundation, Kadam Karnataka, and we are thankful to Mrityunjay Foundation for sending their children for giving a performance opening ceremony. Thank you all for supporting this event. Thank you media, Bloom TV, Suryodaya TV and the newspaper for coming forward and supporting for social cause. Thank you, Jay.
Okay, this charity match we have organized through Tech Zenith Solutions. It's a software company here in Bangalore, and Namma Cafe 29. This is a charity match and we are just cherishing, it's a charity match and we are just cherishing the for Nixon Benny. And as I announced in earlier when this match was started, from next year we are starting a league in his name. It will call Nixon Benny League, and which is going to be played under banner of Tech Zenith Solutions and Namma Cafe 29. We are just giving opportunity to the kids who are here in Sarjapura, and we have almost 10 teams who are under 21 are playing today, and they are going to play till 10, and a lot of matches has been kept. Once they will win, the winner will get a trophy, and I ask we'll encourage more kids. So from next year we will start organizing Nixon Benny League under the banner of Namma Cafe 29 and Tech Zenith Solutions. Thank you.